I think somebody got it completely wrong. No,
So
no. But I definitely don't want to reveal what I am in the film also.
Ah.
What do you mean I still have that charm?
But are
Just
you
wanted to correct that. I have another film called Coolie. I never felt this difference. I never felt it.
No, just one last question to Nag sir before we leave everybody. Should we? आपको याद है वो गाना तुम मिले दिल खिले? आपको याद है? Nag sir, you've done some phenomenal films in Hindi and we want to see you come back there. You still have that charm, you still have that presence, you still have that heart. When do we see you?
What do you mean I still have that charm?
It never left you, did it? What I mean to say is,
Just wanted to correct that.
when are you going to come back and show us
Yes,
a bit of that
of
magic?
course. No, all these films, these are all meant to be Hindi films. After this, I have another film called Coolie that is also going to be releasing in Hindi. And I have been working in Hindi films for so long. And especially, I think I've worked in more of my South dubbed films into Hindi, which were appreciated quite a bit here up here. And that's what they talk about. And now in the mainstream too. So it's fantastic. I never felt this difference. I never felt it.
Neither did we. We just want to see you back romancing the way you did back
I'm
then.
here. When did I say I left? I'm always here.
Thank you. For the co-producers, would you like to say something? Kubera is special to all the actors, to all the cast. Sir, would you like to say something? It's called Benson Philip from Lokmat. Benson, are you here? Aapka character in Kubera is a wealthy man grappling with deep internal struggles despite his outward success. How did you approach adding depth to such a complex role and your key message that you'd like to give to the audience through this journey?
I think somebody got it completely wrong.
Given to me.
Okay. No,
So
no. But I definitely don't want to reveal what I am in the film also.
Ah.
Yeah. But
So we'll keep that a secret, sir.
yeah.
We'll move on to the next question. Smita ji from Dainik Jagran. जब भी South cinema की बात होती है, you are one star, the rooted star of the cinema, who's always stayed connected with grassroots. How important is that for an actor, sir?
So here we bring the North Star and the South Star again. So anyway, but let me thank the audience from the north of Vindhyas. I thank you very much for accepting the films which are coming from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Cochin, all of. I'm so very happy you're seeing all the films that are being made in India. Just like we have been seeing all the films that have been made in India for a long time. I'm so happy you're seeing all of them and you're also appreciating our films. God bless and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I think it's all connected. We are all aware. Is there something you'd like to tell all your fans? This is not a very common moment for me as a fan, as a presenter, and for your fans and media here. कोई आप message देना चाहेंगे नाग साहब?
Somebody's...
कोई message? हाँ.
Some message to my fans. Keep watching my films.
Yeah.
What else can I say? Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for watching our films.
Okay, I'm going to move on to Jim. Here are some media questions for you. This is Samina Sheikh from Zoom saying कि regional cinema एक pan-Indian movie बन चुकी है अभी ये वाली. Expectations are also on the rise when one sees the growth of an actor. What will be unique about you in this film?
Again, Pan India?
Again, back to what will be unique in